Activate, they done a job down the road there about maybe 2 years ago. I'd always go back and look at that, and they always looked well. Then I met a good few companies, but when the rep came out, he had a brochure there. I seen the panels, they were salt and ammonia protected. And they were tested for wind speeds up to 290, I think, kilometers. We get both of them here, strong wind and plenty of salt. So the roofer came out and I found him very helpful. There's a lot of solar companies out there, and I want some company to be here in 10 or 15 years' time. And Activate, they're a huge company and good reviews. And I suppose their partnership then with SSE Electricity. I'm a builder, and I built the house in 2013. Well, like a lot of jobs I do, I kind of want it looking well. And that was one reason, I suppose, I wanted the panels looking well, because it's a nice looking roof. And the panels, like I said, they're lovely and black and slick. This house now, I suppose it's well insulated house, but everything is run on electricity. We have the air to water and the heat recovery. So, we use a nice bit of electricity, good bit of demand, yeah. The installation went perfect, like they're gone now and everything's perfect and easy to work with them. If I had any questions, they'd answer it, and they left the place nice and tidy. Everything's working perfect, What more can I ask?